Well, guys, after reviewing the video that I made on multi-start threads, I kind of realized I kind of rushed through it and left some explanations out. I was probably just amazed things were going as well as they were. Where my concentration was so deep. But now that I'm back in the real world, I thought I better make another version showing some of the important aspects, mostly what the first two passes look like. So enjoy the video. Thanks for coming along. Okay, we're back on multiple start threads, and we're back on 2 start threads, 20 threads per inch. I'm going to give a little better explanation of what's going on and where we're all set at. So our goal is 20 threads per inch, 14 threads per inch. What the heck is our goal? Where's my thread gauge at? 14 threads per inch is what we want to achieve. Okay. So let's check that with our most recent turning. And so I have my gearbox set at 7 threads per inch because I need each successive cutting, need to have room for that second set of threads. So we will start on any number or any letter. And I have this set up for quick withdrawal and automatic back to 0. I will advance with the compound. So let's take the first cut and show what the scratch pass looks like on the first pass. Okay, well, I'm on screw, which is going to allow me to activate with the thread, the half nut. So I'm going to do 20 thousandths on the compound, and I'm going to engage on A. Pull it back. Bring it up. Okay, can we all see that? How wide of a cut that is? It is obviously not 14 threads per inch. I've never really tested to see if it was even 7. Okay, here's 7 threads per inch. And it is cutting at 7 threads per inch. Okay, we started that on A, I believe. So we're not going to advance. We're still at 20 thousandths advance on the compound. Haven't changed anything. Only this time we're going to start on the number 1. Okay. see that. Now we are cutting 14 threads per inch. So we're going to advance this on the compound 20 thousandths. What did I start on last time? Doesn't matter. This time I'm going to start on the number, the letter A. Why isn't anything working? Here comes A. And this is going to be number 1 or 3. Number 3. I'm going to do 20 thousandths again. And start on C. And this time we're going to start on a number 4. And you can see the thread progressing. So let's do another 20 thousandths. Start on A. Then we'll start on any number. Happen to be 2. We do a spring pass. B. Spring pass. 3. Now we're going to go 10 thousandths. Start on D. Now on a number 1. We do a spring pass here. 1. Spring pass. D. Spring pass. D. Spring pass. 1. Okay, and there we are. Once again, 14 threads per inch, while the machine is set for 7 threads per inch. Now, if I wanted to do 4 start threads, I would do 3.5 threads per inch and thread dial 1, 2, 3, 4, or A, B, C, D. Okay, maybe that's a little better explanation of multi-start threads. The first time I was just going for it. I really didn't take the time to explain how I was achieving what I was achieving. This machine has some other tricks up its sleeve for threading also, where you don't even use the thread dial. And when I figure out what we're going to call that, we will feature that in another video. And basically, you engage the half nut and you switch your direction lever from neutral to forward. Back to neutral to stop, pull the tool back, reverse, move the tool to the right, back to neutral, set the tool again, engage forward. The whole time the half nut is engaged. Maybe that explanation is a little premature. It should come with a demonstration. But I'm happy with my results here. See, am I still recording? Yeah. Let's get this tool out of the way. Now I'll go over that. Where's my elevator at? There it is. Oh, that's what I'm looking for. That's a 4-start thread, and that's going to be a stand for the camera. And I'll give you an idea of what I do sometimes to dress this up. This is a triangular shaped file. It has a blunt end, and I'll never hold it in this manner. Always holding it free. And how do I start the machine back up again? And never know which where you're starting at. I'll knock down the top of that. And we'll call that a day. Let's see if I have any air in my tank. My tank is. Compressors in the other room, and I got this portable tank. I got 20 pounds in there. I can blow that off a little bit, maybe. Yeah, there we go. Now, another project. Okay, I am pretty close to 3D printing. I think I have all the mechanics part of it done. And I believe everything is hooked up right. Bad lighting over here, but I haven't turned it on yet, and I haven't figured out. I mean, there's other things that instructions tell you to do, which I can't find right now, but there it is. It's got a little control panel there. It's got a little drawer here for some reason, and you know, the nozzle moves back and forth and it screws up and down. I did have to take this off and reinstall it. I had it facing the wrong direction. I had this bulk of the motor printer nozzle hanging off the back. And there was no way it was going to hit this limit switch in that position. So I had to correct that. In the process of doing that, I ended up with an extra screw. So let's just say I put it back together more efficiently than they had planned. Horrible directions. Well, it couldn't be that bad because I achieved it. Okay. Well, I hope you enjoyed that, and I hope it gave a little better explanation of how I'm doing multi-start threads. If anybody was watching the Bar Z Summer Bash 22 today, they might have noticed that during the live stream when they were drawing raffle tickets, I had commented in the chat, you know, well, hello there. Well, hello there. And within a couple of minutes, certainly before anybody else chatted on, my name was drawn. And Tom couldn't pronounce my name, and someone in the crowd actually knew the pronunciation of my name, or knew of me, I guess. And the other person there, you know, showed him his laptop or his pad, computer pad, and said, you know, look, the guy just got done, you know, leaving a message in the chat. So it was kind of serendipitous, I believe. But I got a metric test indicator, and it'll probably look a lot like this. It may not say Michitoya, but if it does, it won't be a bootleg Michitoya. So I'm gonna have to learn metric, I guess. I kind of got a grasp of it on the millimeter centimeter level, but tenths of a millimeter, and I'll need to brush up on that. So thank you to all who saw that and congratulated me, and I feel good about when everybody loves to win drawings, right? Okay. See you later, guys. Like and subscribe, tell a buddy, bring a friend. We need to go out with something for Maya. Okay. That's all I got, guys. I love you, Maya.